In this video, I'm going to show you how to order a replacement Chime card. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Chime and make sure you're logged in. Then go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says profile. Then make sure to go ahead and scroll down until you see account settings. Then go ahead and press on view and freeze debit cards. Then you guys should have access to your debit card right over here. And then you guys should see this option over here that does say replace card. Now, obviously this is a virtual card, but it will basically be the same thing if you do have a physical card. Instead, it will say replace card instead of replace number. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that. Then you will need to explain exactly why you need to replace your card. So it will ask you whether it got lost, damaged, or stolen. So if your debit card got lost or stolen, then Chime is automatically going to deactivate that debit card to prevent unauthorized use. And you guys could expect to wait around 7 to 10 business days. And you just want to double check that your address is correct as well on your Chime account to make sure that it actually does ship to your home. But after that, it'll take around 7 to 10 business days for your Chime debit card to reach your home. Then all you need to do is activate it and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.